Hello friends, in this video I will explain you that how we can change document size in Adobe Illustrator CC. For instance, if we start with file new and let me select like in print letter 612 by 792 points and then click create. Now this is here. So here we will have to use some things like if we click on this tool that is called artboard tool, you can see in the options like width is 612 points and height is 792 points. For example, I want in inches, so what you can do, press Ctrl plus R, this ruler will appear, right click and change points into inches. Now you can see this is 8.5 by 11 inches and for example I want 15 by 10 inches. So what we can do now, just type here 15. You can see Illustrator will change the dimension, change the size of the document and height as we want, for example 10. So just type 10 and press enter. So now my document size is 15 by 10 inches. So it's up to you what dimension you want to apply. Anytime you want to change the document size using artboard tool, you can change the document size. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and also share the video with your friends. Thank you very much.